I've been speaking to groups for years, do not have video recordings of my talks. How do you create a reel with no video? This is a chicken egg situation. I need footage in order to book gigs. I need gigs in order to get footage. Which comes first, chicken or egg? You could try to find some type of local event that you could speak at for free. This could be something within your company. It could be something at church. It could be something at a library, just with the sole purpose of trying to get footage to speak. Another option is that you could speak to an empty room. If you're going to do this, make sure you do this in the type of setting where someone would actually hire you to speak. Nobody's hiring you to speak in your kitchen, your living room, your bedroom, so don't film it there. You want to go to an auditorium, a theater, banquet hall, ballroom, some type of setting where someone would actually hire you to speak. The other thing I would remind you is when you're creating a video, you're creating version 1.0. I've had probably 6 or 7 different demo videos, and the first one wasn't as good as the ones that I have now. So start with what you got, do it with excellence, and improve as you go. Once you create that first demo video and you start booking some gigs, then you can get better footage and redo the video. You can continue to improve over time.